Hi, in this video, I'll show you how you can invite administrators to your Academy. To get started, go to the Academies and Admin Settings section. Select Admin Roles on the left panel. Next, click Invite New Admin, enter the name and email address of the person you want to invite. Then assign an Academy and choose a role which determines their level of access. Administrator has full access to all sections of the Academy. Instructor can edit content and view statistics. Editor can edit only the Academy's content. Analyst can view statistics. And Curator has access only to the Home Task Center. The Master Administrator has access to all academies and all teams by default, but you can select a different academy if needed. Let's choose Instructor. Select the academy and assign a team. If you want to give this administrator another role in the different academy, you can do that on this same page using the Add More button. Finally, send an invitation. I hope that helped and good luck with your academy.